Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I am Azim Freed, your online wordplay teacher 3. Welcome to online class. Dear students, today we are going to summarize lesson number 12. It's all about night and day. Dear students, first of all, I am going to discuss with you the compare and contrast of night and day. These series from lesson number 11 to lesson number 20 will be the series of compare and contrast. And first then I am going to solve vocabulary 8 for you by using different sentences and synonyms of the meanings for you people, and at the end we are going to solve the suggested questions. It's a very interesting topic. Many new things will come for you, a lot of new information for you people. It's a bit scientific sort of a topic. First of all, I am going to tell what is comparison and contrast. Dear students, in general use such as in writing, a compare and contrast essays means finding the similarities and contrast means finding the differences. You can say that whenever you are going to find the similarities and the differences among two objects, you are going to compare or contrast. You are going to make compare and contrast of them. Comparison in writing discussion elements that are similar, while contrast in writing elements discuss elements that are different from one another. A compare and contrast essay that analyze two subjects or any objects by either comparing them, contrasting them, or both, then analyzes two subjects by comparing them, contrasting them, or both. Dear students, first of all we are going to look the vocabulary aid. The words today we have are axis, revolve, rotate, darkness, light, cool, rest, danger, work, clear, atmosphere, quiet, time, warmth, relaxation, lively. Dear students, day and night is the two main parts of the day. Day and night both are the parts of a day. 24 hour is called a day. Day is very bright with the presence of sun, while night is very cool and dark with the absence of sun. Everything seems familiar during daytime, while same things look unfamiliar at night to you people. Confidence and security are associated with day, while nights breed insecurity, fear, and danger. Dear students, first of all, I am going to tell you that Earth has two poles. North Pole, the central point of the Earth is North Pole, and it is located in Antarctica, and then it is South Pole, it is located at Arctic region of the Earth. These are both opposite to each other. Here the nights are 6 months long, and same perpetual days occur here. Then the word is rotation and axis. This point, dear students, Earth's rotation on its own axis, अर्थ हमेशा अपने एक्सिस पे भी रोटेट करती है और अराउंड द सन भी रोटेट करती है, और सूरज भी रोटेट कर रहा होता है. सुबह आप देखते हैं तो कहाँ पे होता है, शाम को कहाँ पे ग़ुरूब हो रहा होता है. व्हेन द फेस ऑफ अर्थ इज़ टूवर्ड्स द सन, तो जो फेस वाले रीजन्स हैं वहाँ पे डे होता है, और जहाँ पे फेस नहीं होता, जहाँ पे बैक होती है अर्थ की सन की तरफ, वहाँ नाइट आती है जहाँ पे सन रेज नहीं पहुँच सकती. दिस सेंट्रल पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड इक्वेटर. Now dear students, coming again towards the vocabulary. The main difference between day and night is that day is a unit of time lasting 24 hours and night is a part of the day. When sun is not aloft, people tend to sleep during night and are awake at a day. In this instant, day will mean time of the light between one night and the next night. Day and night. The earth is a sphere or ball, dear students, you know very well, which spins round and round as it travels around the sun. The facing side away is cooler and darker and experiences night because the earth is constantly spinning, revolving, or rotating. The line between day and night is always moving around the planet. Then we have, I am going to give you the concept of north and south pole again. The north and south poles are located at opposite ends of Earth's axis. These are opposite ends of Earth's axis. Besides location, another major difference between two poles is that the south pole has Antarctica as the landmass, while the north pole is located in the Arctic Ocean. The North Pole stays in full night all day long throughout the entire summer, and this is the reason that Arctic is called the land of midnight sun. After the summer solstice, the sun starts to sink towards the horizon. The earth is tilted on its axis, dear students, because of which very poor sunlight is allowed to reach the north and south pole. When the north pole is tilted towards the sun, it experiences continuously daylight for 6 months, and when the pole is tilted on the other side, it experiences continuously night for 6 months. If it were always, now you are going to have the answers of these questions. Why does the day change into night? I have given the answer, but again I am going to tell you that why does the day change into light. Dear students, the earth always revolve around not only its axis but rotate or spin around the sun. When the face of the earth is towards the sun, it will become day, but after 12 to 13 hours the face side of the earth changes into back side and away from the sun. Then the darkness happens, the night happens, because the earth is not in front of the sun. Which one of them do you like? Usually, dear students, everyone likes day because it is bright, it has sun, it has activities, it is sunny, and everyone love to enjoy the work. No one needs extra light, artificial lights, and everyone seems to enjoy the day. Why is that? Why is that? It is because I love to go to school in day. I love to play in the light of sun in day. I love to read, I love to exercise, I love to party, I love to enjoy, and it is the part of the natural system. After the suffocation, after the tiredness of the day, you need rest, and Allah Almighty has created night in which there is no sun and you can enjoy everything, seems smooth, relax, and to there is cool, there is no danger, you can rest in the absence of light. How different is this cycle at the north and the south pole? North and south poles are two opposite parts of the central axis of the earth. North pole is situated in Antarctica, and south pole in Arctic region. Dear students, it is very important that for you people to understand that north pole and south poles has a period of 6 months for a day and for a night. On the one hand side, there are a tenure of summers, for example, for 6 months only there will 24 or there will be light and day will occur. Same on the other hand side, while on the other hand side at other pole there will be darkness and night for 24 hours for 6 months. What would happen if there was a perpetual day? For example, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, इस उर्दू में बताऊँ तो अगर सारा दिन ही होता, रातें ना होती तो क्या होता, और सारी रातें ही होती और दिन ना होता तो क्या होता. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, if it were always night time everywhere, the earth would be flat and the sun would be under us. No gravity, all of life on earth dies one way or another. If that didn't happen, we would all die just because there is not any rest, there is not any relaxation, there is not any sort of the night in which there are different chemical or biological process occur, the emission of carbon dioxide from trees. What would happen if it was night all time? Dear students, if it was night or day all time, the earth would be flat, because otherwise if it was spherical there would always be face of earth pointing away from the sun, and thus it would be the night time. If earth floats away from the sun in space, then there will be no longer a light to be a source. For in simple, I am going to tell you that if there is no night, then the human life survival has zero chance for living. What would happen if there was night all the time? Then at the same, the man, the nature, the whole universe will become fed of the same 24 night days. So it is very balanced process by the nature that it has created a day comprising of night and day. What you love to write about this will be at your end. I am here for your problems. um, make a very good compare and contrast essay for me. I am waiting for you. Stay blessed, stay home, and stay safe. See you in next class.